Jai Hind students, this is my YouTube channel Chemistry by Sir Harish, or you can tell Kanha Tutorials. Dear students, here we will discuss about the area of the square and rectangle. So now firstly we will discuss about the definition of the area. Every closed figure encloses some region by its boundary. Area of a closed figure is the surface or region enclosed by its boundary. And dear students, area is measured in the square of the unit. Square unit. Suppose the length is given in meter, so what will be the unit of the area? Meter square. If in centimeter it is given, then centimeter square. Kilometer, then kilometer square. Now we will discuss about the formula of the for the area of a square. As you are knowing that a square is the closed figure for which all the side, that is edges, are equal. So area of a square is equal to length of a side square. Suppose the length of the side is a, so it should be a square. Okay, once again I am repeating it, my dear. This is the formula for the area of the square. It is square of the length of the given side. Suppose it is a, then area of the square is a square. Okay, now area of the rectangle. Dear students, rectangle is the closed figure in which the opposite edges are equal. Okay, suppose the length of the rectangle is L and breadth is equal to B. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into the breadth. And suppose length is L and breadth is B. So we can tell that area of the rectangle A is equal to L into B. Now based on the both figure, that is area of the square and rectangle, we will try to solve the question. Now this is exercise question 21.2. The questions of this exercise totally based on the area of the square and rectangle. So dear students, your first question is find the area of the square of the side 17 meter, 7.5 centimeter, 5.5 meter and 14 centimeter. As you are knowing the formula for the area of the square, it is L square, that is length of side square. So in question number A, the side that is length is given 17 meter. So 17 meters whole square. It means 17 into 17 meter square, and after the multiplication, that is square of 17 will come 289, and this is meter square. Now for B, side of the square that is length is equal to, it is 7.5 centimeter. So side is given, and you are knowing the formula area of the square is equal to side square. Side that is length, which is 7.5 centimeter. So by the multiplication of 7.5 with the 7.5, that is square of the 7.5, we will get 56.25 centimeter square. Now same thing here also, same concept, 5.5 square is equal to 30.25 meter square, that is the area of the square which have the side 5.5 meter. Now D, the side is 14 centimeter. So the length of a square is equal to 14 centimeter. Area of a square is equal to length of side ka whole square, that is 14 centimeter square. It will come 196 centimeter square. Question number 2. Dear students, Question number 2 is find the area of the rectangle. In first question you have calculated the area for the square. Now here you have to find out the area of the rectangle, for which length is equal to centimeter and breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. So as you are knowing the formula for the calculation of the area of the rectangle, it is length into breadth. So length is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle for this given condition will be 7 into 6 centimeter square, which will come 42 centimeter square. And for question number B, length is equal to 6.5 meter, breadth is equal to 4.5 meter. So the area for this rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to 4.5 meter into 6.5 meter. It will come 21.25 meter square. Okay students, now based on the formula of the both, we will try to solve the question here. Once again I am repeating, this is my YouTube channel Kanha Tutorials. If you are new user, then please subscribe it and share to your friends also. The area of the square is 144 centimeter square. Dear students, it is given the area for the square, and you are knowing the formula of the area. It is equal to side square, that is length square. But leave it. Now find the length of the side of the square. So what is the formula, my dear? The formula is area of the square is equal to length square. So area of the square, it is given 144 centimeter square, is so it is equal to length square. So length is equal to square root of 144 centimeter, and you will get 12 centimeter. This is the answer of this question, question number 4. Please listen carefully, my dear. This question number 4 is something different for you. A square and a rectangle have equal area. Means according to the question, the area of the rectangle and square both are equal. If the length and breadth of the rectangle are 25 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively, find the side of the square. Dear students, according to the question, the area of the rectangle and square are same. So first of all, we have to find out the area for the rectangle for which the length and breadth is equal to given. So the area of the rectangle is equal to 25 centimeter multiplied with 6 centimeter. Okay, then we will get the area of the rectangle, it will be 225 centimeter square. Now according to the question, the area of the square and rectangle are same, which is equal to 225 centimeter square. So the length of square is equal to the area of the square, which is equal to 225 centimeter square. So from here, if you want, then you can find out the length is equal to 15 centimeter. Now question number 5. The area of the rectangle is 117 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle, dear, and you are knowing the formula of the for the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, and its length is 9 centimeter. Find the breadth. So by use of the formula, simple way we will find out it. 117 by 9 is equal to 13 centimeter. So please try to solve this question by yourself. Now question number 6. Find the area of the rectangle. Question number 6. Find the area of the rectangle whose breadth is equal to 9 meter. So dear students, for this rectangle the breadth is equal to given B and its perimeter is equal to that of the square with side is 12 meter. Okay. So what we have to do, my dear? See, according to the question, the side of the square is given. It is equal to 12 meter. 12 meter. And in the question, perimeter is also given. So perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into L is equal to 4 into length is equal to 48. Now according to the question, perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square, which is 48 meters. So for the perimeter of the rectangle, formula is 2 into length plus breadth, and length is equal to given in the question. It is given not length, breadth is given, it is 7 meter. So from here we can find out the length 17 meter. Okay. Now we have to find out the which one, we have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, area of the rectangle is equal to breadth into L. Length is 17 meter and breadth is given, it is 7 meter, dear students. So you can find out from here by the multiplication with the through the formula. Question number 7. Find the cost of the leveling a rectangle filled of 13 meter by 15 meter. Dear students, for the rectangle both length is given. 13 multiplied by 15 is equal to area of the rectangle will come, which is equal to 195 meter square. The total cost of the leveling the rectangle filled is equal to 195 multiplied by 5.6 is equal to, it will come 1092. Question number 8. Find the area of the shaded region. Dear students, you have to find out the area of the shaded region. So there are two methods. First method, you can find out the area of the whole figure. So if you will find out the area of the whole figure, then after that we can subtract the area of the unshaded part of this rectangle. Okay, but here I have given in the different way. If you want, then you can see it. It is very simple for you, my dear. First of all, you have to find out the area of the chamber A, after that area of the B, and after that I have added both the area of both chamber A and B. Okay, dear. Now question number 9. Just like that you can do, you can find out the area of the whole figure. It is equal to 12 into 12 is equal to 114 because it is square. So length of square, so it will come 12 into 12 is equal to, it will come 144 meter. Now after that we have to find out the area of the square, that non-shaded rectangle. It is equal to length into breadth is equal to 8 6 are 48. After that we can minus from there, so it will come 96 meter square, which is the answer. Find the area of the each figure. You have to find out the area for this figure A. So please see this picture carefully. Question number 9, 10, 11. See, this is the question number 9. Question number 10, 11, 12 you have to do by yourself. Okay students, thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.